Hello. So I found this weird chunk phenomenon that happens when you copy the folder, the contents of a region folder into the contents of another world regions folder, and you like delete those other region files like the MCA because they hold chunk data. So we just create like something called like new or so whatever, doesn't matter. Just like test. Makes more sense. We do like test or something, which would be our like source. We create a new world. So like we go into the world right here, and here we are. We're in a snowy taiga, or whatever it's called, and we go to like our oak planks. We create something. Doesn't matter what it is. We just create some weird structure. Okay, like this. And we mark our location. Okay? And I think that's enough. Alright? It doesn't really matter. Just create something and just know that you've been in this area, okay? And you will now save and quit. Next, you will create a new world and just name it like whatever you want. Again, test 2. Now I'm going to create, we're going to go inside. We are going to give ourselves, ooh, this is hot. This is hot. Give ourselves our oak planks again. This is pretty cool. And like create whatever you want again. So I'm gonna create my same structure, but like this. I think that's good. Alright, so just know that we've been in this area, and we do function f3. Whoops, no. Yes. Just want to see stuff. So, we're gonna save and quit again, right? We're gonna go to our test folder. We are going to edit and do open world folder. Then we're gonna go to, we're gonna go to the last directory, which is saves. And then you have all the Minecraft worlds here. And then we're gonna go into another file manager folder, but with the same directory, right? And next, we will go into test 2, our second one. Then you delete all the stuff from the region folder, okay? Then you will go to the original test. Then you will copy all these files onto the other world's region folder. And this is basically what you have now. And close that. And we go back into, here we are. We go into test real quick. No, test 2 it is. Yeah. Whoops. You see all this stuff happening right here? Yeah. And as expected, we spawn into something very weird now, because first of all we have, our jungle from the test 2, which was our other world, and we also have our snowy taiga from the other world. No, this is icebergs. I'm sorry, I do not know my biome names, but yeah, we get this really weird phenomenon that happens when it just basically a lot of chunks just get like torn out of the world, because basically, of course, one end is a seed and also one end is the other seed, basically. So like pretty much half your world is the seed of your world, and half the world is the seed of another world. Basically, this is actually a 14-year-old mystery that happened. Basically, he found, it's not an ARG, it's not, he found a, weird house or a base in this world, but that's because he got it pirated, and it contained the same, basically, he created it in one slot that there was another folder, another world in, but the world didn't count because the level.dat was probably corrupted, which is actually an ongoing mystery So that's one of the, yeah, you see, this is really weird. It just stops. I don't know why, it just stops. And also, yeah, look at this. God. It happens here too. I don't know if we can find our structure. Look at this. This is really weird. See, we got a village here. A village literally in the middle, in the plains. I think this is plains. Yeah. This is super cool. Imagine seeing this. I'm pretty sure this was caused. It's in the caves too. I don't even know how this actually happens in the villages, because it literally should be. The villages should be in that. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, this is crazy. What? It's not even in. Oh wait, I don't think this is. That's on me. But can we find like a regular, like where we go down and stuff? But that is crazy. And also, I don't think that's normal, but I don't think that was caught. I think that was just a seed just being weird. I don't know if we can find our structure on here, because usually the structures are like far away and stuff. Imagine spawning in this seed. I mean, in this world. This is not a seed. This is like two seeds at the same time, which is crazy. So I don't know if you can find our structure. I don't know if we can find an igloo either. Oh look, there's our structure. We found our structure. So yeah, this is pretty weird. I don't know. This is, at the same time, I do know how this happened, but I don't know how exactly these chunks are just being ripped out when we have, of course, one seed and then another seed. Well, here we are. This is it. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. Oh, that's laggy. I don't know why. That's just myself, I guess. Anyways, goodbye. That was crazy.